He's a good man. No, you know why? Because sometimes you get your girlfriend go on the drive you. It's cheap outside. The guy that you say it's cheap outside.
You get one thing I always tell women, that thing where you don't want to give your man. I get 20 different babes outside we will give her times 100 of that thing.
And that's no matter whether you find or not.
You know the most annoying thing for me, for where women did not say, some women go deal with you. It go get, they want make you crank, they won't make you head, they won't make you rough handle, they won't make you do like scatter them. You don't see what you do with baby, they tell you, say fire down. Now fire down.
So you fire
shift it. Shift it. Shift it.
That's shifting cultivation.
You know, shift it. Shift
and then you do it now.
But
you do it
you
now.
Understand? But some babes go there, they want that shifting. But then go say,
no, but you see, sometimes girls, and most girls, they always want one form.
That's the thing now.
Hide their nature.
But
you see one thing I love about God and nature. You cannot hide when you want to come. A real coming. When the girl is scratching you as if you are a recharge card. I touch you, hold your face. When you come out, you be like Kogima.
Not like Kogima.
No. It's a culture.
No, boys, see, you better say you overdance than say you not try at all.
No, because it's an insult.
No, it's an
Most
insult.
of these ladies just carry you and just look at you and say you cannot.
You cannot.
But what do they really? I like this topic because you see, the truth, most men they only rush into the cranking part.
Not be
you
there.
have to.
That crank na the last phase of the
women get soft spot like this side. This is their neck towards the ear.
One thing where I really want to make
You
most
have to
Nigerian
kiss it.
guys really learn how to do now foreplay. They really need to.
We need foreplay. You even
And aside that again, you need to know where your woman G spots dey. Some women do will say, "Now here their G spots dey."
Different.
Some day na the head of their nose. It's different from everyone.
and-
But you know the annoying thing I say, every man believes say na nipple be every woman G spot.
So Nigeria is just
Nigeria is focus
No, but you cannot blame Nigerian men. We know they carry bobby play. It's like government work.
Yeah.
You will feel. You see this thing they call breast. I have one my future pikin. When I see my wife, as you say, when woman carry belly and she born, the boobs go big small. When once my pikin don't suck the milk, reach the size where the breast size where I be know, he stop am from there. He no more sucking. The remaining sucking is for me.
Wait first.
I suck till eternity.
Before this guy, see, another way guys supposed to know. You must set the mood for these chicks. Not be every time, babe, they dey in the mood say she want to.
Yeah.
You got arrange mood. They get one babe, you know. I want their travel this guy area, Calabar, you know. So this every time.
From Akwa Ibom, please.
Okay, sorry, Akwa Ibom, you know.
What's the difference?
And now I want to talk about Simon Fine.
What's the difference?
You understand now? So this babe, every time the babe come inside now, fire. Every time, you know, we say that. One day, babe just say, guy, every time I go to the house, it's zig. You can't even mind me every time it's zig.
Every day is zig.
I don't want.
This one sets the mood.
Whereby again, and most Calabar boys or common boys, they do this same thing. The guy, they always go, they cry the guy. And that day, the guy all the verse. As the guy, they do, the guy say, baby, have you come? He said, leave me alone. I've not come every time. You just come, you fuck. You don't love me.
That was the way we talk every time. We talk for the baby. Oh, I love you bad. You kill me bad.
But you have to talk into it also.
No, the baby that say, shut up.
Okay, but you know, say some girls they like when you talk dirty.
Yes, you must talk dirty.
No, that's another part.
When you talk dirty.
You know the best part to talk dirty, when you don't turn the babe, put pillow under here so that the back will come up. So your mouth dey behind her ear. When you that time when you whisper.
Don't spoil us on this show.
No. It's not all like saying they abuse her.
Whisper. My brother. This we also know that women they like adventure, like when those guys talk, and they like when you do some dirty things.
Yeah.
But this happened to me, no to tell.
I be like, I know it's in
When I say man do doggy style, I can't not forget that this girl don't be any kind of guy. Now I just see man slap the girl. The girl hand when you long. Now my face so. What is that?
No one you.
Even I shock. I say I don't know that you know. Like, how do you now tell a girl? How do you know if a girl likes to be smart?
The thing now say now from when una they talk, you go
from the talking, yes.
My brother, there's no time for talking. That you ask a girl, do you like them smacking you?
The girl one girl. Same Calabar, we they talk. Then they say, Avo. You want to talk, you want to talk, you talk. You can't fuck and talk at the same time. You know that kind of thing. You can't fuck and talk at the same time. So you don't know that kind of guy no like him.
You're right. He happened like, what's happened to the guy? This said to the guy, I say, hey, no, man, if you want to fuck, you fuck. If you want to talk, you talk. You cannot fuck and talk at the same time. Now the guy say, what do you mean? Now the guy say, look, can you shoot and laugh at the same time? You know what I mean? You cannot shoot and laugh at the same time.
Okay, we will do the same opinion. When we come back, we go sit and frown or laugh, whatever.
Now the attention now.
I don't know. Ed. We're going to give them Ed. What is it?
Hey, I'm not married though. Hey. Sometimes a woman feel want make a man touch her some places. But you know, if he talk her out, you go just keep quiet. So maybe, I don't know, Sha, I don't know.
You know, you need a loving man, you understand? Not just a loving man outside. So the man should prove it inside the bedroom as well. You know, it's very necessary. So now loving, love, you get.
One of the most important things where they make people want marry, they say they want to express themselves sexually. So a woman will be more satisfied if the husband feel they give am wetin he want for inside bedroom. Now they make sometimes women they go come if they no fit get that thing for inside bedroom, they can't go out, they cheat on their husband. So it good make the husband they satisfy the wife, and not be only the husband, even the wife too. It's just good make they satisfy each other. Yeah.
Oh my God, let me ask this question. We want touching body now. What else? I don't know, Sha, but that's the best thing we want. Yeah, touching body.
I don't like this, you're touching body. Hey, Gaga! But you don't say, no, I don't like her. Hey, Gaga! I don't like this, you're touching body. Hey, touching body. Touching body. You don't say, no, I don't like her.
I love this our women.
Yeah, I tell you.
And it shows how typical Nigerian women be.
Yeah.
Most of them, they shame, just they laugh. Some no one really talk the main thing.
Some no just even want to talk.
That girl talk one thing where I like. One girl say, she say, freak, thing just leave my head now. But from what I hear the girl talk, we say, it tell me say men have to be researchers.
Very big time.
Because a woman, she said, girl if you want something now, when
he no go talk and he go keep quiet.
And they give man plenty hard work. So that's why sometimes you go see man. If you feel man when man one begin dey crack, you go dey wonder say wetin they fight.
But those guys,
you not say they fight goal. You go see man from the head. You don't see we dey belle. You don't see you dey inside. Wetin you dey pull. Because we just want please you now. No be say that anything you have to. You know,
the truth for me now say Nigerian men need to really understand the fact say una need to open up una mind. No be say because woman like adventure for bedroom mean say she dey loosed. No.
Yeah.
So you understand?
Yeah.
Women, they want different things. They won't make you head. They won't make you sabi kiss.
Not all
they won't
women,
make you dey gentle.
Not all women
they
want head.
I am
No,
not be all women, but I
No.
usually say 80% of women. Now because
Someone is watching.
Let's say something. You know,
someone. My friend from our fan and my good friend from Nasarawa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now she dey watch. I don't want to call her name. And she
She
clearly
don't like head.
she don't like her, but she never do one before.
Now,
Not-
so
never
So
do
what
one
I'm saying is
before.
that
Now.
she
Different
see
from say I don't like
like
her.
say it dey
Now.
nasty.
It ain't nasty.
You understand?
Fine, but
No.
when it
But I
do am,
don't try to encourage her and tell her and say you need to.
You know
When
the
he
problem.
do
Show my own strap the chick. Now the problem. So she can't give her a story.
Get point too.
She give us She trying to try arrange the chick, so the woman, she just give her a story.
Well, what is wrong? She's a very fine girl. She's a fine girl. If I,
You get point.
she's a fine girl.
You get point.
She's a fine
So
girl.
in
excuse me.
hono yin na mo wen na. In dey go wen from Boboti and Gage. Onye obula macha na dem no. Amasi wiwe. E man. Onye obula macha onye ewu. Why?
Fellow Nigerians, as you have seen that madness has set in from sex to dialect. it's obvious that it's all like you now. If you dey crank your girlfriend, you go dey speak Igbo, give her.
My brother,
You're not communicating.
that is the best thing to do.
You're not communicating.
Who told you you're not communicating?
Hey, all these Igbo men.
When you are on the mood, give way and
This is burglary. They command the girlfriend here. Hey, turn here. Raise your leg.
No.
Yeah, this one.
No, I don't do that. I start from foreplay. From here
Yes,
to
now.
here to here to here to here to here to here.
You join me such a way that the babe go dey beg you say, oh yeah,
my brother.
and the babe.
You must also
Maybe
learn.
beg you say, may you know.
Yeah.
By
You
the
know?
time you.
But you know, say at the time where guys them one day even reach that level, say they won't enter, woman never start.
Yes now.
Then
True now.
why-
That's why you go
compulsory.
spend
That's why
time. You go
compulsory.
spend
Spend
time.
time.
Compulsory.
You must spend time worshiping. I don't
Yes.
believe
My
you.
brother.
You don't enter into the courts.
But the thing is
without
that
praises.
there are two places you must always praise.
Yes.
You must praise the up and the down before you worship.
You
My
see,
brother,
and
you
when
must.
you finish, you got people just finish from church service, just they go out. You know, they think for how to
Why?
either say maybe they keep the church clean. So
You know, tidy up.
When you finish, learn to lie on either your woman or put her hold her.
Most guys
Women-
are the tired guys.
Yeah,
Say
woman-
they no go on stage.
And I can tell
And chicks, they like
I can
that
tell
too.
any girl, I can tell you any point blank and categorically, any man who is way finish clean.
That's why we carry Sonju now. So, I'm here to make a producer. I can. In fact,
Okay, these days,
guys not the Greek cook for man again.
it dey happen.
Okay.
These the girls they come when they come my house. Maybe because I like to cook. Nobody want cook. I don't try most of them. When they enter kitchen, want cook. Rubbish. So if Dave is a problem,
No, basically
because
for
back in the days,
And they look and say they no sabi.
Nah, so
They
now.
no sabi.
Nah, so now.
when
Cause
all
this babe
the
sabi cook show.
If
But
babe
let me-
sabi-
I don't
if
blame-
babe
I don't
sabi
blame most
cook,
girls,
she
though.
go wan cook.
Yeah.
most of all the universities where they see, most of the universities where they see, they don't get kitchen now. Guys, they live for hostel. How they want to sabi cook? This is generation we are going to have. I'm telling you, the school I went to, the hostel, it was prefab.
Okay.
You understand? So now wood where they use make the hostel for the girls.
Ewo.
No, now very fine this, but they use wood. You know, like it's a kind of foreign university, you understand? So when they use wood, so how do you cook? You won't allow anything like either stove or gas cooker because if you burn down the place.
Yes, now,
so
so-
we have girls coming out of universities now.
That they can't
They
cook.
can't cook.
I beg, we need to start to dey teach our children how to do so many things, especially the mothers wey dey there. No just sit down say you dey inside kitchen and you dey cook for inside kitchen, your pikin dey living room, dey watch all those series dem wey dem dey do on top TV. I beg, try to teach them the normal thing because if they marry tomorrow, e no go make sense make their husbands dey insult them because of
Or
say
they chop
no sabi
outside.
cook, you know. Caesar, just give me one word. One thing where you feel say women dey like during sex. Just one thing.
Foreplay.
Showman.
I think women love long-lasting, beautiful, powerful sex.
Now, what be that? Which school this guy go?
I don't understand.
It's hard to put sex inside one word.
For me, basically, I dey feel say
One word, one
women,
word, one word.
Women,
For you.
women, then they love am when you talk dirty.
Not for Igbo.
When you talk dirty.
Imagine if you know one day they talk dirty.
I love am. I love am.
If you don't want to give you girlfriend, you are in trouble.
I love am.
He don't care when I done they go. See the girl them a want to they hear me sing go. I bust the stereo. See the people them a feel feeling me like so. Anywhere when I go, they want to go. See right now me tell them my flow. I like the way them feel and fun. All my ladies wanna jump on. The ladies everybody wanna move on. I like the way you steady just a do one. Girls them me wine on. All my homies them a jump on. The girls everybody them a twist on. Everybody down see. I like the way them they booty down. I like the way them they twist it